You gonna tickle, tickle?
Tickle, tickle.
Nice to meet you.
Are you gonna get his milk?
This milk. This is crying.
Yeah, he's crying.
Okay. This is okay.
Very good.
Nice. Baby.
That's a baby. Is that Leon?
We know.
Weenon?
That's Ethan.
Yep. You're Ethan, and that's Leon.
Nice to meet you. Ethan, nice to meet you.
Very nice.
That's so sweet.
Can you give him a kiss?
Mwah.
Very sweet.
This is
Very good.